Former escorts, what's your saddest experience with a client? I got a phone call from an extremely old man, and at first I thought he was just a creepy old customer, but then he told me his life story and my heart broke. A decade ago he was on a dinner date with his wife when he had a heart attack at the table. He fell and hit his head, splitting it open. He luckily survived, but about a year later he had a stroke, and this rendered him paralyzed and unable to care for himself. His wife became his carer, but after 6 months of doing so she became sick of it and left. What's worse is she didn't even get him a nurse or put him into a home, instead leaving him alone in the house. His son had coincidentally died around this time too. He showed me photos of himself and his wife when they were younger. He said the only thing he looks forward to was his weekly phone calls with his grandkids, because they're the only people alive who care about him enough to talk to him. He cried for 2 hours while on the line with me, and I almost broke down with him, but I held it